your laboratory, then you will perform an experiment that you can perform without using the laboratory facilities inside the school. Madali lang gawin ito. You will be performing for determining orifice coefficient. No orifice ko natayo kat small opening. Diba? Small opening lang niya eh. Imabalin nyo nga ikanti, kita tubo nga basit lang niya eh. Then, kitain nyo, uray taramidin yung akwa, uray taramidin yung anatagan nanti tangke kat detay tangke ti biskuit nga detay dakkel. Mabalin day jay. Aramidin nyo day jayen. Tapos, ikanyo ti opening na, jay side na. Then, ikanyo mo ti pagpakaikuan na, pakaiparabawan na. Kasi pagarigan, dahil ito'y jay tangke, alas tiko, tadyak mo't makontrol dito. Lagyan mo nyo ng small opening dito. So, syempre, no napuno ti danom ko dito. Dati mangyari ka dito, dito danom, romwar. Doon. Dati danom dito, it will move or traject in a parabolic or trajectory. It has a trajectory, I should say. So, depende no sa nuti ka nga ito namot data. So, this is X. Tama? Di madanon na X. Now, you will be required to determine the coefficient of discharge. Yung coefficient of discharge, talo ngamin diya coefficient of contraction, coefficient of velocity, tapos coefficient of discharge. Then, the coefficient of contraction is the ratio. Dito'y ko ngamin dito dito'y area na, di ba nung lumusot dito, danumkat, bumasit niya eh. Dito'y area na dito eh. No ikampel mo ka dito'y area, yan dito abot na. Kasi nung lumusot dito, because of contraction, bumasit. Tumot lang agsog DJ ko na. So, at that portion, measure nyo dyan diameter, T. Then, that is located at approximately diameter of the orifice, that abot na, divided by 2. So, pangkasta nyo. Alain nyo diameter na. Tapos, alain nyo mo ti diameter detoy orifice. Then, the coefficient of contraction is equal to the ratio of the area and that portion. We call that as vena contracta, and the area, cross-sectional area of the orifice. So ratio. ratio of the area at the vena contracta to that of the area of the orifice. Now you can determine also the coefficient of velocity. That is the ratio of the actual mean velocity, v, to that of the theoretical velocity. The theoretical velocity, you can get that by applying Newton's laws of motion. V, theoretical velocity, is equal to square root of 2gh. V sub t, that is equal to square root of 2gh. Ano dito h? Dito g kat gravitational acceleration. Pag-start ko matito DJ ko saan ito mapan dito? This is h. That is h. So the theoretical velocity is equal to square root of 2gh. And the coefficient of velocity is equal to v the mean velocity divided by the theoretical velocity. Then the coefficient of discharge CD is equal to the product of the coefficient of contraction times the coefficient of velocity. Recall, coefficient of contraction, that is the ratio of the cross-sectional area at the vena contracta to that of the cross-sectional area of the orifice. Then the coefficient of velocity, that is the ratio of the velocity, mean velocity at the orifice to that of the theoretical velocity, which can be determined applying Newton's laws of motion. Derived equation is equal to 2gh, for h is this one. Is from center of the orifice aging gadayjay water surface or liquid surface. So that it is that determining nyo. I will give you a copy of the experimental procedure, but since you will be this procedure is based on the apparatus inside the laboratory, CE laboratory. So since you will fabricate an apparatus that is used to determine the coefficient of discharge, then you need to make your own procedure. Yung objective lang ang ibibigay ko. Objective. Yung problem is there a significant difference between the computed experimental value of the orifice coefficient and the orifice coefficient for standard orifice. Ito standard orifice kano. Ada ngamin dagitay standard coefficient tan. The coefficient of discharge, the orifice. But you can compute that also. Then there is the testing hypothesis na there is no significant difference. Now, during the experiment, dapat hangag value dati value th. Kasi nag-value data kung mapsod yung velocity, di ba? Kasano yung aramidon day jay. Ito yung kumajay tangke. Ito yung water surface. Bayan nyo lang tagagip yan. Dapat ada supply ti ko dito. Nga day jay supply ti danom dito. Bas dakdakkel angam day jay supply ti day jay rumor nga danom dito. So, kontrolin nyo data oripis, di abot ti oripis kasi no dakkel data tapos basit dato yaket basit dato supply ti danom makatawan bumabalap ta data water level. Yes, Mr. Siason. Hindi po kaya uray mag-overflow basta maintain niyo lang data. No nag-overflow, bayan nyo lang nga overflow. Tapno na ma-maintain detoy kwa. No overflow, at least constant detoy H. Tapno no constant detoy H, bayan nyo nga rumwar day jada duma. Detoy lang matikansal nyo, detoy magnayan ti oripis. Iso nga dapat continuous data supply ti danom ditoy. Na data supply ti danom, dapat equal wano ad-ado dayjay mai-supply ng data rumwar ditoy. Tapno ma-maintain data level ti danom kasi no ad-ado kas pagarigan aket aglipyas, di ba? So okay lang dayjay. At timot water surface nga basis tayo ko dito ini. Datay rimwar dito y kuana awang bibiyang tayo kadayjayen. Sobrana. Mesure nyo dito you can also determine di ba ti discharge no kung ka maalam ti discharge na. You can determine the actual discharge kasanot pa nagalay ti actual discharge. Siyempre, mangtaya kayo deta danom, rimwara yan ta oripis, halang may ramraman, di kita yung rimwara nga na ilipiyas for a certain period of time, let's say 1 minute, nalayo day dyan, ng uray basbasit, 10 seconds, alain nyo dyan, discharge na using that. Di ba, discharge is volume over time. Kunin nyo yung volume, tapos divided by the elapsed time, yun ang actual discharge. That is the actual discharge. I-compare yo that a discharge nga makampute yo using the theoretical discharge times the coefficient of discharge. The coefficient of discharge. No agpada day jay, kaya nangasawon, no significant if the difference is not very or is insignificant, then yung testing hypothesis nyo is correct. That there is no significant difference, di ba? So, ganon. Yun ang gagawin nyo. Pinilik dito kasi you can fabricate. Korea na, digitay ko Dete lata nga dakkel. Ba? No, ada sino ti adda kasya namang sapol kayo. Isot pagbarinan nyo nga tangke, mga ramid kay lang ti abot na, kung kanyo mo lang ti kasta, dapat yan di abot na katawan rumor nga danom mijay, kung nyo mo makaamu kayon. Then, dito nga dito square root of 2gy, ma-derive ka data, square root of 2gh, ini apa dito? Siasun. You can derive B also, the velocity dito, that is equal to from P6 ma-derive yung data. speed, mean velocity is equal, yung mean velocity is equal to di na travel na kuma x over time or distance traveled over time. Na mayroon siyang component along x, mayroon siyang component at projectile data. So you can determine the velocity, that the initial velocity ditoy kan kasi nung maalayo detoy x itoy tapos detoy y kuma deta. Then y is equal to 1/2 gt squared from the freely falling object, second equation. Maalam detoy. Y is equal to 1/2 gt squared. Or if and x is equal to speed times time, so maalam jay speed which is equal to x times maalam na jay time kada jay 1/2 gt squared. So yung speed mean speed that is equal to x times using the equation 1/2 gt squared, maalam ti t that is equal to square root of 2g. Yan. 2y ko na kuma. 2y ni 2y over g. So, alamat ito eh. 2y over g. Square root of 2y over g is t. T. So, from speed times time, substitute mo dito ay maalam tb. Dati ko ma-procedure na, no? Dito yan ti, procedure, no? Dito yan ti, usarin nyo dili laboratory change eskwela. So, measure the diameter of the orifice, ganon din pa rin yung gagawin nyo. Elevate the water container at a convenient height. Napinpintas mo't lang no na nga to. Tapno no basbasit ti error yo kadeti pa nang measure yo kadeto eh. Kaya na nga to basit. Kasi dyan projectile na. Then at a convenient height and connect the water hose to the faucet. So dapat no may batog yan ta faucet. Agusar kay ti husan atap no at the supply ti danom. Then open the faucet and let water flow into the container. Regulate the faucet when it is needed to maintain the derivation of water surface of the container. Tapno no han nga problema day jay bayan yung nga mapuno daytoy tangke sa aglipyas latan. Basta awan bigyan yo kaday jay inlipyas na. Wala kayong pakaalam dita doon sa sa water na yon. Ang pakialaman nyo lang ito yung dumaan sa orifice. And measure the diameter of the jet. Diameter of the jet, data ko na, bena kontrakta. By a vernier caliper, compute the coefficient of contraction using the equation that is equal to area of at vena contracta divided by the area of the orifice. Yung area at vena contracta no a small a, j na, then area is equal to pi small d squared over 4. Tapos the area at the orifice that is equal to pi no diameter d, big letter D, squared over 4. Then, tapos alaom J ratio na, makancel mo lang dagi J pi o kada 4. Then, ang equation can be written as the diameter of at the vena contracta square divided by the diameter of the pipe square. Yan. Makukuha nyo yung coefficient of contraction. So, tikon ko na dito eh. Measure the diameter of the jet by a vernier caliper. Compute the coefficient of contraction using the derived equation. Measure the distance x from the orifice to the point where the water strikes the horizontal plane by a meter stick. Measure the vertical distance y from the orifice to the horizontal plane stated. Then compute the mean velocity using the equation, yung mean velocity, so that in kabil ko dito, x times the square root of g over 2y. The square root of g, baliktad dito. G kuma dito. G over 2y. 2y dito. Maala yun yan. Then, compute the coefficient of velocity that is equal to the ratio of the mean velocity to that of the theoretical discharge. Compare the coefficient of discharge computed in the procedure to that of the computed in procedure 12. Kuna na, J procedure 10 kan procedure 12. J procedure 10, compute the coefficient of discharge using equation 11.2. Equation 11. Data coefficient of discharge is equal to C sub C times C sub B. So, tikit na sa 1 day jay. C sub D. Use the catch basin and collect water flowing from the orifice for a certain period of time and compute. Jay, kahit ko sa 1, for a certain period of time, mangkwa kayo. Pangtaya kayo ti danom, nga rumwar yan di orifice. Tapos maalayo jay discharge ka day jay. That is the volume of the collected water then divided by the elapsed time. Then compute the coefficient of discharge using the equation C is equal to Q over the data nga equation. Compare yo kada jay na-compute yung nga discharge. Compute the equation of coefficient of discharge C sub C times C sub B. So, jay. Use the catch basin and collect water flowing from the time of discharge. So, yung catch basin, to sa rinyo, pangalakay tikwa, for a certain period of time, maala yun jay discharge. Compute the coefficient of discharge using the equation. Then compare the coefficient of discharge computed in procedure 10 to that of the computed in procedure 12. Kuna na. Jay, usarin nyo jay sa baling equation the coefficient of discharge by computing the percentage difference. Kuna na to eh. Bakit ka puro kakutin? So, any question? Any question? Yaramidan nyo ti report na dayjay. Ngaramidan nyo per group. Dakaila ta ti mang group ti bagbagi yun. Tapno no haan nga problema. Oh. Haan met nga nagastos unay data. Basta isubmit yo together J report yo. experimental report kan dayjay aparatos. Eta. At aparatos na gis ko ala kaya lang hanyo mairwar. Tatyo susaram minukwa ko dete lata dete inukwa dete lata kastan. Masiraan lang dayjay. Di siraan na daabot na. Ma-open lang di abot na. Ngam data uray tang uray dayjay lata lang. O mga but ka mga ramid kay lang tabot na. Tapos lukatan niya jabot na. I-constant nyo lang dito yun. Any question? Meron po specific size of yung container, wala. Ti importante dito kada jay size ti abot. Siyempre, ano na nga to dito, H. Mas maganda na mataas ito. So nga rod nga te kunak mabalin dito lata nga kwa. No dito, no habang as this increases, the velocity here increases also, di ba? The velocity na nga rumwar. So nga numapuno da jalata, te asadag ti kwa asadag dito yun ti pangkastan yun. Ibaba na. Bottom na. Tapno no ma-maximize yun da H. Specific size of the container, wala. Ang importante dyan H. Because from the equation, it is a function of H. So nga uray, detay kwa, uray detay, DJ nga rudlata, pinturaan yung to, basitan akat kwa, ipakita yung tumot lang deta, inosaryo, nga, DJ inaramidyo, ikan yung to, basiti sa kanan, tapno ngumato. Okay? Taado kayo mat, maado ti, mano kayo ka 36, so, 6 per group. Then, into no finals, no diyo pa inaaramid tayo midterm yo, wag na lang, dahil talatat aramidin yun. Ng pagtasang kayo to about wares. Kasi, timot, di ginukuha ka, di kitay, nagdasar nga equipment tatan, ti flow meter, di kitay electronics kadwan na, mechanically operated. Pero the kita structure that can be used to measure the flow, the kita wares, orifice, the kita venturi meter, no close conduit, pisometer, pipe to tube, the kita ipi masapol no kwa. The kita natnaganan based on the structure nga han nga digitay magatang electronically operated. Digita ti maususar. Ususaran tayo lang di principles na tapno no ma-determine tayo. So yung discharge, the actual discharge is equal to the volume over time. Iti volume nga mataya yo within a certain period divided by the time is the discharge na ano ko. Actual discharge. Question? So okay ko na ayo. Isubmit yun dapat nung mag-isubmit kayo isurat yun to taynagan nyo. Saka yung nagubra. In your report dapat i-discuss ikabil yung to ti participation ti maysa. Dapat at the participation na. Nung nang taglat contribution na kan meriendayo, anang nga tinaadal na. Specific size si container, pero huwag yung mga maliliit kasi dito value TH, kita nyo. Nangatumot basit. Tapos dito yung stand na, ikangato yung basit tap nun no, dito yung X kan Y ngamin. Sunod pa yun. Final exam yun. Mangkasakti deadline ha. June 21 ti pa nag-submit yun ti data. Kasi dito iti amok nga yan ti ko eh. Dito iti amok nga final exam. Ito 14 to ko. June 21 dito eh. Dapat ka dito yung no maarami dyo ti June 21. Kumay ka ito ag-submitin. Nga before nga i-submit yun, write up na ah. Write up na. Experiment yo, result of the experiment, dagiti conclusion yo kada kwa. So, no innam ti maysa nga group, ada mangubra jay kwa, tapos i-experiment yo, oray jay agi-type to kada kwan, mga rami jay kasta sa balimet. Dapat i-discuss yo, yan jay ud-udi na, no anati participation ti member. Punuhaan may isang page say jay. May isang page jay na ganyo then the participation of each member. I-discuss yo. Any question? Siguro ket okay data kada kayo no maisubmit yo. Mang patayo no maisubmit yo pasado kayo. No di yung maisubmit 5 kayon kasi jay. Ana, okay kay kadijay? Okay ba sa inyo yan? Comment kayo tutan. Importante kanya, write up na kan i-present yo. Present yun tumot lang. True online mot lang. Tapnon no grade ang kayon. Siyempre akot kitak tumot la di grade yo ti lecture. Na no okay data kat incomplete kay ti lecture. Dati ti kas sa inyo no napintas data kan di report yo, report yo ti prelim awan mo kwayo ti midterm. I-report yo ti prelim. Mangala kayo to completion form yon bali completion bali ko apay no kwan. Pag complete ang kayon. Grade ang kayo to pa iti pasado ka di lecture yon. No napintas ta isubmit yo. Kahit ko sawan, haan lang data no kahit ko nga ko akot physical haan lang di jay. Ti kahit ko sawan jay panangarami joken di jay write up na daami ni jayen. Haan nga takulay na kada ko physical nga properties na. No kasano ti anak kahit ko sawanan jay accurate na kumati maalayo.